Hi everyone, I'm Sony Polikoff from the System 1 Research Office here in New York, and I'm one of the lucky ones that actually gets to work hands-on with the data to uncover what is almost always a very exciting story from the research. So the last executional element that can really make a huge difference in making people feel something when watching an ad is the narrative. And all that really means is how the ad is portraying the story that you're trying to tell. So how long does an ad need to be? Of course, you want to present a clear message or a story, but you don't want it to drag on for too long. Do you want to add humor into your ad? And if you do, let's say you use a joke, where is the perfect place to put that? And it's really about understanding which of the scenes are truly adding to the emotional journey and keeping people engaged. Now, narrative is something that you can amend and work on throughout multiple stages of the development, but it's great because it's something you could change at the very end as well. So say something simple like taking out a scene or altering it just a little bit. It's easy, but it can go a long way in helping shape a very compelling story. Up next, we have a great example of a well-executed narrative by King's Hawaiian in an ad called False Cabinet. This is an ad that is about two dads and their two sons, and it's done in a very short, lighthearted way. The way that they use humor is really successful, and they also put in just enough cute kids to make you fall for it. The great narrative is really what gets this ad into the 5-star territory that it's at, so let's take a look so that you can feel it for yourselves. Thanks.